parenting a douche, I'm gonna punch him in the face. Can you? But then you go to prison. Being a douchebag. He's saying what I say doesn't matter, and that I don't matter in life. What? What do you say?
Oh no.
Did you get that one's gonna die?
I think so. Kiki, there's a moth. Flying pigs. Dude, look at the dead birds.
Oh, dead birds are on the floor, right?
Kiki, did you drink last night?
What?
Did you drink last night?
No, I wish.
Kiki, can you say MySpace?
What?
Can you say MySpace?
MySpace? Why? MySpace. I said it.
Yes, I can say MySpace. You know why?
I can't say MySpace. MySpace.
You know why I want you to say MySpace? Because this video is going on MySpace. No, thank you. I'm good.
Hyperside. Miss. Fuck.